Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about a case study that has been posted in medgadget.com. We can see the photo of the inventors. So the invention, what they have done is soft implant uses AI to deliver drugs despite fibrous encapsulation. Scientists at the University of Galway in Ireland and MIT have collaborated to create a soft robotic implant that can work to fight fibrotic encapsulation and deliver drugs despite the presence of fibrous scar tissue. The device which the researchers have named it as fibrosensing dynamic soft reservoir is designed to reside in the body for extended periods and deliver drugs. However, the immune system typically recognizes such medical implants as foreign bodies and walls them off with a thick layer of fibrous scar tissue, limiting drug diffusion and leading to eventual failure. The new soft robotic implant can inflate and deflate like a sea creature, which helps to reduce the amount of scar tissue that is deposited on the surface. However, in a key development, the researchers have also furnished the implant with a sensor that can measure the amount of scar tissue present on the device. Right, on the implant device, there may be a scar tissue that actually has to be eliminated. So this robotic device senses that scar tissue. It uses AI to calculate how to release same dose of drug regardless the amount of the fibrosis or the scar tissue that is present on the device. Basically, the device which is delivering drug misunderstands the scar tissue as the tissue. So the robotic device that they have developed helps that device to know what is the scar tissue and what is the normal tissue so that it will know how much drug to deliver into the tissue. The deposition of that scar tissue, we call it as the fibrosis, right? The foreign body response is a key hurdle or obstacle in developing more effective medical implants, such as artificial pancreas. The thick scar tissue that builds up on such implants greatly reduces their lifespan and limits their ability to sense their environment and release drugs in response. Techniques to reduce this biofouling, such as surface patterning on the medical implants, have met with mixed success. To solve this issue, this is taken as the empathy by the researchers. So these researchers created a soft robotic drug delivery implant that can reduce the foreign body response by actively inflating and deflating, expanding and contracting. This movement appears to confuse the body, which can't deposit as much scar tissues on the device. Basically, the drug delivering device expands and contracts so that there is no deposition of the scar tissue. This robotic actuation also serves for the another purpose, that is by helping to push the liquid drug out of the device into its surrounding inside the body. Okay, so far so good, but in the latest study the researchers took it a step further by introducing the AI, artificial intelligence, according to the press release from Gateway, University of Galway. Right. They incorporated a sensor membrane into the device that can sense the amount of biofouling that has occurred. Then the machine learning calculates how much actuation and of what force the device will need to apply to squeeze a consistent dose of drug through the surrounding fibrous capsule. In this way, the technology can continue to deliver consistent drug dosing even there is fibrotic scar tissue. The technology may pave the way for fully autonomous implants that can monitor their environment and make the adjustments as required to achieve their goals. This is a new area of research that can have implications in other places and is not solely limited for the treatment of diabetes, said by Gary Duffy, a researcher involved in this study. He said our discovery could provide consistent and responsive dosing over long periods without clinician involvement, enhancing the efficacy and reducing the need for device replacement because of fibrosis. Right. Thank you for listening to this case study. So, in this case study, we discussed about a device that has been developed by the researchers. That device, it is a drug delivering device that can be implanted inside the body. Actually, it inflates and deflates itself so that on the device, after implanting into the body, there is no deposition of the scar tissue on the device. Actually, this is the main issue or the empathy that they have taken, that is on the any medical implant there is the deposition of that is fibrotic scar tissue that may actually provoke to replace the device. But here in this implantable drug delivery device, what they are doing is they are inflating and deflating and also trying to understand using AI whether the tissue that is on the device is a scar tissue or normal tissue, and the deflation and inflation and deflation is also used in this device to deliver the drugs, a required amount of drugs to the surrounding tissue. This is really a great invention, and this will definitely could avoid replacing of the devices due to fibrosis. So in the next video we will discuss about another case study. Thank you.